Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a shape like circles and rectangles, triangles and so on and so forth into your text document on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your text document on Bluebeam Revu, and here on the right hand side, guys, unlock the toolbar by logging into your Bluebeam Revu account here in the top right, and from the toolbar select your shape like a rectangle. You may also use the shortcut R for that, circle or ellipse, and so on and so forth. So I will go with the rectangle and position it on this document by drawing it like a text box. You can also go with a polygon, for example, and then change its corners here like this, for instance. And you can also use that tool here that handle here to rotate the given shape. So let me insert also an ellipse. To stabilize it, to make it a perfect circle, press and hold left shift on your keyboard. Then, for example, if you'd like to customize the appearance of the given shape, switch to the selector tool at the bottom or use the shortcut V, and then go through these options at the top. For example, you may change the line style of the given shape. So let me go with a dashed line like this. Let me zoom in also a bit. Then you may adjust or assign a fill color. As you can see, there's no fill color, it's transparent. So if we select this one, it would look like this. Change the fill opacity, adjust it, and here the line weight, for example, change the line color here. So let us make it the same color as the fill color. And that's how it works, guys. So that's how you draw shapes. You can also move it, of course, with your select tool, resize it like this by left clicking into it and using these handles here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.